Hey everyone, welcome to another video on the Greek Street Bridge Replacement Project Stockport. This video was actually filmed on Monday the 6th of October, but I've not been so well over the past couple of days, so I've not felt up to doing anything. So I've only just got around to editing it. So you can see now all the waterproofing is done. It looks like where the pavements are going to be on the bridge is receiving some attention at the moment. This is filmed looking towards the railway station. So for reference, got the Edge UK building on the left. You can see there, because of the Murphy vehicle parked up, it's actually at ground level there, or more or less at ground level. So just for reference, we're flying south here towards Edgeley Park. And again, looking at the same side here, we're flying from Edgeley Park towards the railway station over top of the Edge UK building. It looks more or less, or if not, at ground level, like I said previously. Going to the other side over the top of the Armoury pub here. As you can see here, it's still underground level. And coincidentally, as I was filming, a couple of the Orange Army actually climbed the ladder in the middle, which just proves that it is a little bit lower than ground level. And that's it for this one. I know some of my viewers do know a lot more about the engineering side of it than I do. I just go out with a drone and film things, so feel free to comment in the comments on this video with that. You can like, subscribe and share. I'd really appreciate it. If you've not seen the rest of the playlist, please do check it out, and I'll catch you again in the next one. Thanks again.